Today we came to DTSOI for the culinary competition and we made a German chocolate roll. Today here, I worked with tempering the chocolate, and Claire, my teammate, she made the roll, like the dough for the roll, and we worked together to really make this dish come together.
This competition was pretty fun. It was a good learning experience. I got to cook. I picked out a team. It was a lot of fun, and I hope to do more of these in the future. You get to know more people here, and you get to know the experience of how it is to cook in a competitive scene. We made these chocolate pastry swans, and then we filled it with a strawberry mousse, and we made some spun sugar, and we put that under it so it looks like a nest. And then we made a small buttermilk cake to put on it, and then a strawberry puree on the side to make it look pretty.
So I've always enjoyed baking, and when I was asked to come here and do this competition, I was delighted. And it means a lot to me because I'm moving on into the medical field, and this is like a last baking resort to have fun in my high school years and enjoy baking one last time before I go on. And I'm gonna be honest, I'm still a little nervous with the judges and how they're gonna score us, but I think overall the experience was fun. And so if you ever come up with an opportunity to do something like this, I think you should.